Hello friends, this is Mrs. Tanmay Nikhil Kutte from PES Modern College of Engineering. In today's video, we will see about how to convert octal number into decimal form. To convert octal number into decimal form, we have to multiply each and every octal digit by its weight position. For example, suppose we have number 6327.4051. It is in octal. We have to convert this number into decimal form. To convert this number to decimal form, let's first assign the weights. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the weights. And for fractional part, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So we can write this as 6 into 8. Why 8? Because we are converting octal numbers. 8 raised to 3 plus 3 into 8 raised to 2 plus 2 into 8 raised to 1 plus 7 into 8 raised to 0. Point will remain as it is. 4 into 8 raised to minus 1 plus 0 into 8 raised to minus 2 plus 5 into 8 raised to minus 3 plus 1 into 8 raised to minus 4. So if we simplify this, we get 3072 plus 192 plus 16 plus 7 plus 4 by 8 plus 0 plus 5 by 512 plus 1 divided by 4098. If we simplify this, we can get answer as 3287.510098 base 10. So to convert any octal number into decimal form, we have to multiply it by 8 and raised to power is equal to position weight of that value. Now how to convert second part, how to convert decimal number into octal form. To convert decimal number into octal form, we have to divide that number. We have to keep separate track for quotient and remainder. Let's take above example only so that our answer will verify. 3287.510098. This is given decimal number. We have to convert that into octal form. So to convert into octal form, we have to separately divide this part before fraction point. 3287 by 8. We have to separately keep track of quotient as well as remainder. So if we divide this, we get answer 410. Quotient is 7. Sorry, remainder is 7. This 410 will come over here, divided by 8. Answer is 51. Remainder is 2. This 51 will come here. Answer is 6. Remainder is 3. This 6 will come here. Now it becomes 0 and remainder is 6. We have to read this number into reverse direction. So decimal octal equivalent is 6327. Point. After point, whatever value is there, you have to multiply that value by 8. So we now divide 0.510098 into 8. If you do multiplication of this bit, it is 4 point something. Now we have to take this 4 over here and replace it by 0.680074 into 8. Answer will be 0.640627. Now this 0 will come over here. You have to do multiplication for at least 3 to 4 times, and by doing this you will get answer as 51. So this is how we can convert the given decimal number into octal form. Third point is how to convert octal number into binary. Third point is how to convert octal number into binary. To convert octal number into binary, simply replace each octal digit by 3-bit equivalent binary number. You have to replace each octal digit by its 3-bit equivalent binary number. For example, let's consider example 147.32. This is given octal number. You have to find its binary equivalent. So 147.32, simply replace each digit, octal digit, by its 3-bit equivalent. So 1, it is 001, 4 is 1000, 7 is 111, point will remain as it is, 3 it is 011, and 2 it is 010. So this is your equivalent binary number. Simply replace each octal digit by its 3-bit binary equivalent. Fourth point of this video is conversion of binary to octal. To convert any binary number into octal form, you have to make group of 3 bits. You have to make group of 3 bits. For example, if we are having example 1001110, this is our given binary number. We have to replace it. We have to find equivalent octal number. So to find equivalent octal number, you have to start grouping of 3 numbers starting from right hand towards left hand. So we can make group as, this is group number 1, this is group 2, group number 1, group 2. For here you can add 2 zeros, this is group number 3, and now write down its equivalent decimal point. So 110 is 6, 001 it's 1, and 001 it's 1. So this is my required octal number. Thank you.